Hi, this is John Glad at InfoComm 2026, back at the EIKI booth. We're here to show a couple of new projectors. New projector we're showing here is our C735PS. This is a short throw projector with pixel shifting, so it will put out a 4K image, as well as being short throw. This projector comes in a couple of different variations. The first one being the short throw, which is a 0.68 to 0.82 throw ratio. It has a standard, we have a standard throw 1.02 to 2, which is our 735p, which is also 4K with enhanced. And then we have our standard version C735, which is a 7300 lumen projector, and without 4K enhancement, also available. You can find all of these projectors on the EIKI website, www.eiki.com.